How to fix Snapchat temporarily disabled. So this is because of the repeated failed login attempts. Now in order to solve it, first and foremost check for your Wi-Fi connection. Turn your Wi-Fi off and go to your cellular data. If it's not helping, turn on your airplane mode for 3 seconds and turn it back off. Then go ahead and reconnect to your Wi-Fi or cellular data. Once you do this, press and hold your Snapchat app and go to your app info. From here, force stop your application and then head to storage and cache. Right here, tap on clear cache. Now once you do this, you can head back from here and now open your Play Store. In your Play Store, in the search bar, search for Snapchat. Tap on your Snapchat. If there is an update bubble, tap on the update and leave for your application for an update. If not, uninstall your application and reinstall it once again. Your Snapchat will also state the amount of time your account has been temporarily disabled for. You can also wait up till the time is over or wait until 24 hours. If it is not working, you have to go ahead and reach out to the Snapchat support. And that's pretty much it for this video as well. Thank you so much for watching.